Hello everyone, I'm Eugene from handmado.com. As for today, I would like to show you the skull pendant that I have designed and created to add to my Handmado collections. Okay, this skull necklace is very unique and it only available in our store. Okay, let us take a closer look on this pendant. Pendant is a skull kissing a woman. So I try to make it closer so that you can see every details that have been crafted. Okay, this skull necklace is made with 95 sterling silver, and at the back of this pendant is hollow, and we have a very good chain to go along with this necklace, and we have the necklace oxidized. We can set a stone into the eyes of the skull actually if we want, and maybe we can make it into a limited edition. Look at how beautiful the skull holding the face and the hair of the woman. Okay, tell me what do you think, guys? Leave your comments, and we love to see comments, and I see every comments and I will reply to it. What do you think about this pendant? Is it beautiful? Is it ugly? Is it anything that comes into your mind? This necklace is designed and created by me, Eugene. Tell me what you guys think. Okay, the size of this pendant is around 1 inch from top to bottom and 1 inch from left to right. Okay, why I design skull jewelry? Because skull is so cool, and also the meaning of skull is the remembrance of mortality. That reminds you that one day you must die, and always be humble. Even you are very good looking or handsome now, and it will not, when you age, you eventually will die. So yeah, so I make this skull kissing woman pendant into a heart shape, which is really unique. Okay, if you are a skull obsessed people, so you should get this necklace to your collections. Okay, that's about it today, and yeah, if you like to see more of this video, please subscribe to our channel, and we will try our best to make more jewelry and show you guys. Thank you.